Bruxism. Bruxism is really dangerous for us because if a patient is a Bruxist patient, first they can give harm, they can disturb their teeth by grinding them on the way. It can be during the sleep mostly, but in daytime, for example, when they are working, they have also grinding teeth, and also we generally call them Bruxism. In Bruxism, the masseter muscle gets stronger. You can think it like that. It makes exercise every day, and so it gets muscle every day, and they bigger their muscle for the masseter, and we have to prevent it. First, of course, we can use night guards, and also Botox can be a procedure with night guard, and also psychological treatment can be needed in Bruxism. Because in long term, as they disturb their teeth, the occlusal measure of, for example, for the upper jaw and the lower jaw decreases. So in the future, it causes much power on the joints of the jaw. If you have any problems like this and get comfortable in your life, you can keep contacting us.